Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this lesson, we're learning about line graphs line. Graphs are used to show how data changes over time. They help us see trends, patterns, and comparisons easily. Each piece of data is shown as a point on the graph, and these points are connected with straight lines. This makes it easy to see how something increases or decreases over a period of time. For example, you can use a line graph to show how temperature changes throughout a week or how a student's marks improve over several tests. The horizontal axis usually represents time, while the vertical axis represents the value being measured. The line connecting the points shows whether the data is going up, down, or staying the same. A steep line means a big change, while a flat line means little or no change. To draw a line graph, we label both axes, plot each data point accurately, and connect them with straight lines. Line graphs are also useful when comparing more than one set of data by using different colored lines. Line graphs are used in subjects like science, economics, and geography to track changes over time. That is all for this lesson on line graphs. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.